Here's the second thing I have wrong with this game. Now let's just go to... Yeah, we have to go... Oh, do you want to load? Yeah. Oh, profile load, okay. Story mode. Every single time you do anything in this game, it's like, do you want to load? Do you want to save? Do you want to save? Do you want to save again? Do you want to save again? So annoying. Loading screens are also long, but that's just because it's on the Wii, and my Wii is old. Wow, look at that. I get to do a race. Also, the way to use the reverse is so stupid. You press the A button, but you have to be completely stopped. I also hate that noise. Let's do it again. That noise right there. That right there.